Want to set custom ringtone on iPhone? Then let's get started with the video. Start by moving into the settings of a device. Scroll down and then head over to Sounds and Haptics. In this page, head over to the option Ringtone. Scroll up and you'll see the option of Tone Store and download all purchased tones. Click on it. It will download all of the purchases that you have made on Tone Store, and then all the custom ringtones will be available to you in this page. Search for the specific ringtone and then click on it. Also, what else you can do is click on Tone Store at the top. Head over to any of the options where custom ringtone is available. Once you're inside the downloads, click on the song and then it will be available to you in the ringtone section. All you gotta do is tap on it and then set it as a ringtone. That way you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.